this episode of Katt Outdoor. If you'd like to support us, we have some merchandise. We've got some pink fishing shirts, some hot pink fishing shirts, some blue fishing shirts, purple fishing shirts, camouflage fishing shirts. I also have a pile of pens, stickers, and an LED torch that has a bottle opener. I hope you enjoy this episode. If you do, give us a like, subscribe, and share it with your mates. Thank you. Hello and welcome to this episode of Katt Outdoor. In this episode I'm going to unbox this Seeker 3 Olight. Can you see it?
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here,
What's an actor getting into here?
the world seems small. We can sit together.
Oh look, opens from the side.
Beautiful. You and me, we meant to be
Hey, there's some instructions.
in the great outdoors, forever free.
A pouch around the torch. Must be the charge cable.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you.
Yeah, got a little charge cable. Some instructions. The pouch.
You and me, we're meant to be in the great
And a nice little torch.
forever free.
LED.
You and me,
No power in it. Hey, we'll charge her up and I'll come back. The Seeker Olight. When you get your Olight, make sure you read these instructions, because with the Seeker you've got to unscrew the top and pull this little yellow safety off. Can you see that? It won't charge with that in. I had it on the charger for 2 days. Wonder why it wouldn't charge. It's a bright light. You got to turn your button till these little green lights come on. Press it and the light comes on. It's a variable brightness, so you can go dull, and then it gets brighter. Twist it clockwise, she gets brighter. Anti-clockwise and she dims.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.